Okay. For this video, the finite difference method. So let's tackle about this method. So first, finite difference method. This method is used to solve ODE, bounded value problems, BVP. Okay, the general linear 2-point BVP is equation 1, y double prime p of x y prime plus q of x y plus r of x. A is less than greater than x, b is x is greater than b. Okay, with boundary condition y sub a is equal to alpha and y sub b is equal to beta. So finite difference method, to solve this problem by using finite difference method, we divide the interval e comma b into this n subinterval that h is equal to b minus a over n, which is yung step value doon sa Simpson's rule na topic, to approximate the function y sub x at points x1 is equal to a plus h1 x2 is equal to a plus 2h dot xn minus 1 is equal to e plus n minus 1 h. So for equation 1, okay, this is the equation 1. Equation 2, the y double prime x sub I is equal to approximate to y I plus 1 minus 2 yi plus yi minus 1 over h squared. So for equation 3, okay, y prime xy approximate to, okay, ito approximate to yi plus k1 minus yi1 yi plus 1 minus yi minus 1 over 2h. So this is for equation 1, equation 2 rather, and equation 3. For the next, so ito na siya, where p sub I is p x sub I, q of I is q times x of I, and q xi is ri is r sub x xi. On solving, we get quantity of 2 minus h pi y yi plus 1 minus y plus 2 h squared q of I yi plus 2 plus h pi quantity of yi minus 1, which is equal to 2h squared I ri. So this is tridiagonal system. So for this tridiagonal system, this is the formula. So next, finite where y sub 0 is equal to y sub a or alpha and y sub b is equal to beta. So using boundary condition ito and simplifying, I is equal to 2. So ito na siya, which is 2h squared r1, and then I 2 and minus 2. So this is it siya, 2h squared r1. Same. Next, okay, for multiple choice, for finite difference method, so this is the question for number 1. What is the formula for the first equation of finite difference method ODE? So the choices ito, A, B, and C. Ang choices number 1, y y double prime p of x y prime plus q of xy plus r of x, a greater than x equal to x. So ito yung B, ito yung pagpipilian. And then for multiple choice number 2, what is the formula for the equation 2 and 3 of finite difference method, ODE? So ito yung pagpipilian. Y prime siya. At saka ito. And then letter C, ito. Okay, for the multiple choice number 3, this method is used to solve ODE's bounded value problems, BVP. Choices niya: A, finite difference methods, ODE; B, bounded value problems; letter C, finite difference method, ODEs, and bounded value problems. So the answer is shown in the wait. Okay, the answer i-attach ko lang dito sa uli para dito sa multiple choice 1, 2, 3. Ano po, at thank you. For problem number 4, using finite difference method in engineering problem, use the finite difference method to solve y double prime equal to y plus x minus y. So with upper limit of lower limit of 0 and upper limit of 4, with h is equal to 1, yung n is 4. So first, we use the formula for finite y double prime xi approximate to yi plus 1 minus 2 yi plus yi minus 1 over h squared. Tapos is equal to yi plus xi minus 4. So ito na. To solve this, first, for kasi using this equation, our I is 1, 2, 3 until hanggang 3. And then to solve this, let's find x1 equal to, so ang ano dito is first is y sub 0. So with y sub 0 is equal to 0, comma y sub 4 is 0. So yung y plus ang ating x1, so which is y plus h is equal to, so 1, dahil ang 0 plus ang h is ang value niya ay 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. x2 natin ay 0 plus 2h, which is ang h is 1, so 2. x3 natin ay 0 plus 3h, so 3. Kaya ang I natin is hanggang 1, 2, and hanggang 3. So to solve the I1, for I is equal to 1, which is y2 minus, using the formula, y1 plus y sub 0 over h squared, h squared is equal to y1 plus x1 times x1 minus 4, using this formula. So let's substitute the value. So copy y2 minus 2y1 plus 0 over, ang h natin is 1 squared, equal to y1 natin plus 1 yung value ng x, and then 1 yung x sa loob, minus 4. So makakuha natin y2 minus 2y1 is equal to y1 minus 3. So, pag-add natin yung dalawa, negative 2y1, so ito, pasok ko sa loob, negative 3y1 plus y2 is equal to negative 3. So, ito yung ating equation number 1. Okay. So, for equation for I2, I is equal to 2. So, magiging y3 na ito, minus 2y2 plus y1 over h squared equal to y2 plus x2, kasi kinuha natin is I equal to 2. So, times ng x2 minus 4, substitute the value. So, y3 minus 2y2 plus y1 equal to y2 plus 2 minus 4. So, and then y3, so kukunin natin to. So y1 minus 3y squared plus y3 is equal to 4. Ito yung equation number 2. And then for I is equal to 3 naman, copy the formula again. Okay. y4 minus 2y3 plus y2 over h squared equal to y3 plus x3 minus 4. So, substitute, ang y4 natin is 0 minus 3y3 plus y2 is equal to 3 minus 1. Substitute na. Then y2 is minus 3y3 equal to negative 3. Ito yung ating equation number 3. So, let's combine the first equation is negative 3y1 plus y2 equal to negative 3. So, y1 minus 3y2 plus y3 equal to negative 4. So, y2 minus 3y3 equal to negative 3. Ito ay yung equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So, for this, using tridiagonal system, negative 3, negative 3, negative 3 value. And then yung a natin is 1, 1 ito. And then 0 yung 1. And then yung r natin is negative 3, 4, negative 3. So, solve this using the formula. The y1 is equal to 13 over 7 and y2 is equal to 18 over 7 and y3 is equal to 13 over 7. So this is the answer for finite difference method.